Plug Power just delivered the kind of headline that jolts a beaten-down stock back to life. On Monday afternoon, shares were up more than 26% after the company revealed a new strategic collaboration, this time in Uzbekistan. At first blush, the location sounds unexpected, but here's what's happening. Plug is extending its partnership with Australia's Allied Green Ammonia to build a 2-gigawatt electrolyzer plant as the centerpiece of a $5.5 billion green chemicals complex backed by the Uzbek government. If the project proceeds as planned, Plug's technology will manufacture the hydrogen that feeds into sustainable aviation fuel, green urea, and green diesel, giving the fuel cell pioneer a foothold in Central Asia while expanding a 5-gigawatt alliance that already stretches from Australia to a second continent. Investors clearly like the vision, yet the fine print reminds us why this stock has been so volatile. The first 3 gigawatts, planned for Australia, still await a final investment decision penciled in for the fourth quarter of 2025, and Uzbekistan hasn't set a start date at all. In other words, none of the promised capacity is turning water into hydrogen just yet. That gap between promise and production matters because Plug's core business has been under pressure. Revenue, which climbed to nearly $900 million in 2023, fell back 30% last year. The most recent quarter showed a 12% rebound, but the company is still losing more than $2 billion annually and burning through almost $1 billion in cash. Management is now asking shareholders to authorize the sale of additional shares in hopes of raising capital and avoiding a reverse split that could further damage morale. Monday's surge shows the market still rewards big, ambitious plans in the clean energy space, especially when they come with government support and marquee partners. But until hard assets are in the ground and cash burn narrows, Plug remains a story stock, one that can soar on news from Uzbekistan just as quickly as it sank on missed targets last year. Whether today's excitement marks the start of a sustained turnaround or just another spike on a long roller coaster ride will come down to execution, financing, and how soon those gigawatts move from blueprint to reality.